Messy spreadsheets, manual updates, inconsistent margins. Recognize this? Retailers lose countless hours managing prices across multiple channels and struggle to predict future orders accurately. Our platform helps automate both, saving time, protecting margins, and increasing forecast accuracy. Let's see the pricing. Once you log in, you'll see the pricing dashboard. Everything important at a glance. Profit margin, revenue, gross profit, price elasticity, net margin per SKU, charts to see the big picture. To upload new data, you go to the data page. Here you can upload the whole product catalog with its product hierarchy, the product information, base price information, where you could upload purchase price, supplier, shipping cost, VAT, recommended retail price, as well as channel allocation if you sell on multiple channels. Once you upload the data, you could go right ahead to the configurations page. Since our platform calculates prices on all the sales channels you have, the price calculation flow is the following. Using the base price data and the configuration done on this page, the base prices are calculated. When calculating a base price, our service first checks if there's a configuration created for the product. If not, it looks up a configuration for its parent category, and so on until it finds one. As you can see, we have defined a configuration for each higher level categories. This way we cover all the products from their top parent category. But as you can see here, you can define configuration at the product level. And here we have defined a configuration for iPhone 15, where we added the markup, which we can edit, margin cap, so we don't overpass certain value, and a margin floor, so we don't go below a certain level of profit. We can save it, and now we have defined our configurations. Once the base prices are calculated for each product, we can then calculate the channel prices. To do that, we rely on the predefined channel prices strategies from the strategies page. Here you can define strategies at category and subcategory level on multiple channels using our formula editor. These formulas will be used to calculate the channel prices. So here we have an example. For this demo, we defined for the mobile and tablets category, for the channels e-commerce and marketplace, we define this formula where we multiply the base price by the VAT rate, and the result we are multiplying by 1.03, adding a 3% markup for the two channels. Once we have defined these formulas, we can go ahead and calculate the channel prices. But sometimes you may want to create certain pricing campaigns and have predefined prices for a certain time slot that would overwrite the automatic calculated channel prices. For this, we have the campaigns page. Here you have the option to define a campaign for a product and one or more channels, or to upload a CSV file containing multiple campaigns defined for multiple products. So let's see how we can add a campaign. We can edit new demo campaign. We can search for a product. Let's search for a MacBook. We define the maximum quantity, so we don't want to sell more than 30 MacBooks in this campaign. Let's set the price to 2,800 euros. Campaign will start today and will end on Sunday. It will be available on the marketplace channel, and then we just save it. As I said, we can also add bulk campaign using this upload form, and if we have predefined file with campaigns, we just upload the file and we have more campaigns that were predefined. As the last step, head to the prices page. Select all the products that you want to calculate the prices, or all the products. Click on the calculate prices. And now we have all the prices and channel prices calculated. If you go and select one of the product, we can see that we have automatic pricing enabled. We could also set a manual price if you want. We have the profit margin, we have the current base price. Underneath we have the channel prices. So we see the product is sold on 3 channels. We see the prices are identical because there's the same strategy used for all the channels. We have no active campaign for this product. So basically when we'll export the price, we'll see as a channel price, we'll have the prices defined here. To export the prices, the channel prices, we can just click on the export channel prices button, and we'll have a CSV file containing all the channel prices for all the products that were calculated before. Regarding the integration with different systems that the client might be using, we can quickly adapt to different solutions by implementing a data integration layer that would replace the current upload and download of CSV files with a direct communication with the client software. In conclusion, our platform helps you save time, automate manual work, save money, optimize margin, avoid lost sales, and avoid costly mistakes. Just think, how much time would your team save if you didn't have to touch pricing spreadsheets again?